Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers. We are in St Mary's Churchyard, Edwinstowe. (61785) aircraftman first class Arthur Pinder, Royal Flying Corps, died 1st of July 1917. (181,070) Private Elijah George Mendham, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, died 12th of February 1919, aged 24.
Elijah was a farmhand before his enlistment. He was placed in the reserves and mobilized on the 14th of October, 1918 and posted to the Machine Gun Corps on the 16th of October, 1918. Whilst training, he was admitted to the military hospital at Cannock Chase on the 26th of October, 1918 with influenza. He recovered and was discharged from hospital on the 12th of November, 1918. He was granted home leave prior to demobilization on the 1st of February, 1919 and was admitted to the accident hospital at Mansfield and died from cardiac failure whilst in a diabetic coma.
Also found Gerald Akew, killed in action, 18th of July 1944, aged 28. (1165031) Sergeant Oswald Wheatcroft, Woodhead, Royal Air Force, died 10th of December 1942, aged 22.
Oswald was on board a Lockheed Ventura which had taken off from Methwold and landed at Feltwell for servicing to his aircraft. On his return flight his aircraft flew into the ground after a short dive at Methwold Hyde northwest of Thetford.
Also found Private Frederick Parsons, 6th Lincolnshire Regiment, killed in Gallipoli, August 9th, 1915, aged 20. We are in Bilsthorpe, St Margaret's Churchyard Extension. 149,38530. Private Lionel Oliver, Pioneer Corps, died 25th of August 1945, aged 19. One, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1, 1. Sergeant Samuel Capwell, Radio Observer, Royal Air Force, died 13th of April 1942, aged 20. We are in Clipstone Cemetery, Clipstone. Seven 690-248, Lance Corporal Ronald Adams, Corps of the Military Police, died 4th of March 1942, aged 22. We are in Perlethorpe, St John's Churchyard. Three 27224, Private Ernest Frederick, Landon, Cambridgeshire Regiment, died 29th of June 1917, aged 41. 9533, Corporal Thomas Henry Masding, Lincolnshire Regiment, died 31st of August 1917, aged 42.